We're going to take a look at Robinhood stock today, and it is March 24th, 2025. Robinhood stock here from March 11th. We had an entry between $30 and $40, and at the time it was $37.53. I said I was looking for price targets of $45, $47.50, and $50. Could occur a lot sooner than expected, right? And if we take a look at unusual whales here real quick, you can see the price targets here. The latest one being from March 19th, March 12th, 61.61 from Deutsche Bank and Compass Point. Buy recommendation, and let's go ahead and take a look at the chart today. Today up about 8%, and we are at $48 now. So from 37, you can see, let's go ahead and measure that move real quick. From 37, this is just going to be approximate, right? From 37 all the way to our current price today, we are up about 30%, almost 30% pretty much here, from those prices there of our entry on the Discord. And during this video, I'm going to go ahead and share with you the upside potential from our current price as well as downside potential. So let's go ahead and reset the chart here. And definitely a nice break above $47 resistance there. Really happy to see us breaking above $46.70 specifically. On the daily chart, we do have this middle Bollinger Band here, and I'm waiting to see if we can end the day off above $48. $48 here going to be pretty important during this week. If we can end above $48, there is a potential move towards $54 here, which is the next price target I'm keeping an eye out for. And from current prices, that is an additional 13% move towards the top side. And of course, we just ran up a bunch here during the last couple of days for Robinhood stock. So of course, there is that potential pullback. First pullback level I'm viewing is going to be that support there of $46.70. So possibly a 4% drop, followed by this major support here of $40. This is just something to keep an eye out for. I'm not saying this is going to happen, but if the overall market does pull back again during the next 1 or 2 weeks, $40 isn't impossible. It is going to be a major support level to keep an eye out for Robinhood stock, okay? We do have a potential gap fill as well, which is down about $45. That's going to be about 7.5% drop from our current price. So if there is going to be a pullback, this is the one I'm leaning towards. It's going to be about $45 as a support level. And then, of course, long term, eventually I do expect to see this reversal back up towards $54. $54 there is going to be, again, 13% move towards the top side from our current price here. And being the reason why I said it's important that we see a day here or a week here end above $48 is because on the daily chart here, we have the middle Bollinger Band at $48, and breaking above that, we should see a lot more momentum and buying pressure into Robinhood stock, which then I would keep an eye out for the upper Bollinger Band to be tested. This is when the overall market is also back up and running. We should see the upper Bollinger Band here tested on the daily chart. Again, that's going to be a 33% move towards the top side. That is at $64, pretty close to our high here of $66.91. I believe our all-time high, if we zoom out, is going to be $85, which eventually at some point I do think is going to be tested. We have a lot of analysts here price targeting Robinhood. Let's go ahead and just take a look here. We got like 75, 90, a couple here, 75, a couple hold recommendations as well. And then of course, take this with a grain of salt. Not saying that this is going to exactly happen, but there are analysts price targeting Robinhood between 60 and 90. So this is something to definitely keep an eye out for. And for me personally, I'm just looking for this recent high to be tested, 66.91 here. That is going to be about a almost 40% move towards the top side from current prices. So let me know what you think down below. Do you think Robinhood stock right now is too expensive to be buying per share? Or do you think there's going to be a pullback? Or do you like Robinhood stock right now where it is at $48? I think there is going to be a potential pullback here in the market. It's nice to see, though, that the overall market is here buying back into the stock. So nice to see like Nvidia and Tesla back up. Tesla here at 272, Nvidia at 122. But again, just want to see if this rally here is going to be short-lived, or are we going to have continuation throughout this week and end off March pretty strong. Would be really nice to see a lot of these stocks go back up as well, in my opinion. But again, I can't predict the future. I'm just sharing my personal opinion here in terms of the upside and downside potential moves for Robinhood stock. If you don't have a community yet, I highly recommend joining our Discord. It's free to join, and I'll leave a link down below in the description. There is over 32,000 people there, and we filter out all the bots. So if that's something you're interested in, I highly recommend joining and just sharing discussions, stock due diligence, and questions on Robinhood stock. If you are interested, you're more than welcome to come on in, okay? If you are looking for our live entries and exits, like we mentioned here on the Discord, you can join our Patreon. We currently have a 90% off permanent discount. Link down below in the description as well. Okay, multiple analysts sharing live entries and exits on stocks and options. If that's something you're interested in, that does include Robinhood stock there. Thank you guys for watching. And there is one other thing I wanted to share here. Let's see here. Right here. So we got Ethigo. He shared a call option alert here for Robinhood stock. So this one here being up over 250%. Nice move here from Ethigo here. Thank you for sharing this with our Discord, Ethigo. And if you guys want to view his alerts as well, he does have a Discord, and you can also join our Patreon, link down below in the description as well, okay? Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video for Robinhood stock.